Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the app ready. Open the updated code editor and load your project folder so the workspace reflects real files. Next, set critical preferences like indentation, font size, and autosave to match your team or personal style. Once done, enable useful extensions for your language and terminal integration so you can run code without context switching. Make sure to create or select the correct interpreter or SDK. This prevents runtime surprises later and gets you into coding immediately. You now write and verify code. Use multi-cursor and snippets to apply repetitive changes quickly and split panes to compare files. While coding, run small tests or the test suite. When behavior diverges, set breakpoints and step through code with the built-in debugger to inspect variables and call stacks. Once a change passes tests, stage and commit logically grouped changes with informative messages, then push to the remote repository. This sequence keeps your workflow focused and reduces integration friction. Finish by building or exporting your project and verifying the final output works as expected. Run a quick smoke test and update version metadata or changelog before release. Once done, sync or back up your workspace settings so you can reproduce the environment elsewhere and close stray terminals or tasks to free memory. If something breaks, check the editor and application logs for errors. Then disable third-party extensions one at a time. This isolates conflicts and usually reveals the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.